Okay, hi everyone. Very good morning. So thanks for joining for today's demonstration. Yeah. So from tomorrow, we are going to start the new batch. So that is March batch, morning 7 to 8:30. The mode of course will be English. Okay, morning 7 to 8:30. We are going to start the new batch. So they are the timings. English mode 7 to 8:30. And for today's demonstration, main agenda is I just want to introduce the Oracle Fusion application. Maybe lot of people, or many of you may not know about this Oracle Fusion application. So, what is Oracle Fusion application, and what we are going to learn this on like a Oracle Fusion application level? How it will be helpful for our successful career path, and what are the prerequisites, like what are the qualifications would be required for this course, and how the future will be, then how easy it is for the new uh, you know uh, candidates, that there is no other knowledges, what kind of skill set would be required, whether it is a technical, whether it is a functional, what is the impact of artificial intelligence in coming days. So it's kind of many things that we will discuss in this particular session. So each and every point is very important for your path selection. You can see there are many courses are available in the market. Okay, every course level they will tell many things, they will build, it's like a big Burj Khalifa, like big dames you can see there. But the reality, once you completed the course, the reality will see, finally you find out something, yeah, this is not you know worthy, or this is not true, something they are, what they tell in the initial. So that is not the process in practical life. So that is what, everything will be discussed in the training process, okay, in this demonstration. So myself Mahesh, I have more than 14 years of experience into Oracle Fusion application. Still, I'm working as a functional consultant in one big MNC company. Okay, I have functional and technical, all together. I have good experience in implementation and supporting projects. I have done a lot of projects in my career, and have experience on on-sites level. I have traveled Australia and the US. Okay, for the implementation process level. So yeah, I have good you know information, good knowledge on real-time cases, based on country level, how we can do that implementation, what kind of real-time scenario, real-time issues that we used to get. So the main difference, you know that I will show that the difference, easily you can identify, you can find out the this change. So what is the what you are learning in the institute level, something they have established from the 15 years or 20 years, and what they are teaching. So this guy Mahesh, what he is teaching, what he is explaining, what is the methodology they are following, what is the methodology Mahesh is following, what kind of scenarios they are explaining, and how many, how it is worthy, like if you learn the course after 6 months, how you can get the KT, that nothing but that, how you can get the data, and how you can reunion that your skills kit, like all this kind of you can match with the other institutes. Okay, right. So today's agenda is what is Oracle Fusion application. I will explain about Oracle Fusion application first. Then your profile, then your job profile. What is your exact job profile, and what is the roles and responsibilities? What we are going to do in real time. And coming to the real time, the course structure. What is the course structure? How we can start the in what levels of training we are going to give. So interview process, or job process, practical process in instance level practice, like on regular basis, how we can regular sessions will be taking place. Everything will be explained in a course structures level, and who can learn this course, what are the eligibilities, so what is the current market, what is the impact of layoffs, and what is the career, I mean, what is the like suggestions, like if you have a career gaps, and if you want to change from one new job domain to another job, Oracle Fusion, or like if you want to change to anywhere, like something you are working non-IT, now you just want to move to IT. Okay, so how we are providing job placements, and job support and everything. So those kind of information that we can discuss in our you know uh, demonstration, today's demonstration. Before going to start before going to start this kind of information, first, a very important thing that I would like to share with you, that is uh, recently, in the last week, this is latest update that's what I want to share with you. So on site, in US level, my project delivery manager is working. So recently we had a team meeting. Recently we have a team meeting. In the team, we have a technical consultants, functional consultant, all together we have in the team. So especially have taken one, you know, like one meeting, and he started explaining something. This is kind of a movement you'd scare about our, uh, job positions. Okay, this is very critical movement that you have to move your positions, or you have to skill upgrade your skill set. Okay, he started like that. He started the conversation like that. So everyone started to scare about that, what's going to happen. Now he started something, yeah, in a few days, like next 3 months or 6 months, we are going to lose this project. Okay, there is no way something this is the technical project I'm currently working. So then the technical project, there is a requirement of functional requirement also. We need provide some support in that, like front end application level. So we are we are two members. We are two members, one associate and me. We are two functional consultant. We are there in the team. Remaining all are technical only. So he started then, since it is a technical project, maybe in 6 months, within 6 months, they are going to replace everything with the AI. So there is no scope for our projects, our requirement. Maybe the number of members, we have a 15 members. 15 members will be decreased. Uh, there is a lot of difference. It can be decreased to 5 members. A lot, 10 members can be removed, can be released from the project, that you can expect it. Okay, so what is the reason? Like we did not ask anything. We just listening what he is about to tell. So he confirmed that Mahesh and other guy, both are a functional consultant. They will be stay in that project. Okay, but yeah, the remaining guys can be, you can check your other projects if something is available. So you have to be released in few months. The reason, only thing is the artificial intelligence. Another other reason is they are technical. Okay, so as you know, he said he's just completed, just mentioned, that if you have a functional, choose the functional way, not technical. So the education background, whatever you have, so something always you thinking about your education background. Okay, if you are coming from the technical background, if you are you know that the technical very well, but in real time there is no scope for that. So if you are preparing some coding, if you are preparing some language related, Java related script. Okay, whatever you prepared, that you spend lot of time, you spend lot of skill set, knowledge on that, but chat GPT or other AI tools, it will give it in 5 minutes. Then what is the use? like of your placement of the position. So that is what we are getting question in the project level. So they are replacing everything, like they are automated everything, the technical process, whatever we have, that everything has been replaced with artificial intelligence. Okay, only functional support needed for the front end and back end process, whatever is it is processing. The functional consultant has to be monitor, so he has to identify where the issue is. Like they we have to control everything as a functional consultant. So that is where we have a scope in the project, but all technical consultant, they are losing their jobs. Imagine now this is the condition. What if something in future, after 5 years, okay, take example 2030 or below 2030. So you can expect that there are a lot of implementation, lot of changes with artificial intelligence. So every year you are seeing layoffs in, there are big MNC companies. So you know what layoff there? What's layoff means? Like what is exactly happening in a layoff firm? So you have seen that video, like in news level, they will put there is a layoff. There is a layoff in Oracle company. There is a layoff in Infosys company. So you will not read, you will not read the full content what they have mentioned in the deeper something content level. You have seen that there is a layoffs in a Oracle company. That's it. Okay, so okay, we are learning the Oracle Fusion course, so maybe it will be impacted to your positions also. So, so always remember, as a function consultant, you will never ever get this artificial intelligence impact. Okay, so one of the best profile, even in artificial intelligence level, if you are surviving means that is the one of the best profile. That is a function consultant profile. Okay, so I will explain the layoffs scenarios, how the layoff scenario will be executed in a software companies level. Okay, so they have some own technologies. They have some own technologies, the own product level technologies they are following. So for that, they have a senior managers, senior consultant. They are working from long time. Okay, they know only that particular level of knowledge, that particular module level, that particular application level knowledge, that particular technology level knowledge. So if you take Amazon, employees, they are working on Amazon related products only. They don't know about other kind of modules, other kind of Oracle, SAP, there are Dynamics. They have workbook. We have Workday. So there are many technologies we have other side, but Amazon people don't know about them. They are sitting in company. They are working on the same module. So now every year there is a cutoff, there is a layoff list. So this guy having more than 10 years of experience. Okay, so let's next this guy will be in the layoff. And there is a technology based, there is an experience based one, and there is a technology based something. He is having old technical skills. He don't know about recent whatever upgraded technical skills, nothing but artificial AI related technologies. Then he will get a layoff. Okay, who are working on a product based, those guys are getting into impacted into the layoffs level. Okay, so we are a functional consultant. This profile, we are a functional consultant. We are working for one other company, another manufacturing company or software, services oriented company, that we are providing consulting services. If they are, this artificial intelligence will, apply on the application level who are working as a end users. Let's say there is a ABC limited company. There is a ABC limited company. They are using Oracle Fusion application. Oracle Fusion application, they have started some automations. So in ABC limited company, there are 100 of employees. There are 100 of employees who are working on the same functionality. Now Oracle Fusion implementation, Oracle Fusion introduced the some artificial intelligence, so something to create everything in a one single step. Now ABC Limited think about the employees. Why we need to maintain 100 members for the same thing? We can do that the simple activity with the artificial intelligence, which is implemented in Oracle Fusion. Okay, then they will remove, you know uh, out of 100 they can remove 80 members. So that is a huge, that is a big news in the market. That is what is happening in nowadays. So they will remove everyone, they will keep minimum number of employees they can manage easily with the help of artificial intelligence. So the people who are working on day to day activities, those people will be impacted on artificial intelligence. And the technical people, mainly technical people, if you are looking for the technical or something a coding level or a script level, then definitely there is no future in that. Okay, so you have to go for artificial based technologies. If you have to learn the artificial based technologies, and even if you are in a technical course level, every year, every time, like, you have to upgrade yourself. Something, if you are sitting, till the time you are retiring, you have to upgrade your skill set. Every time you have to upgrade your skill set, that means you have to learn the new things. Then only you can survive in the market. Otherwise, as a technical person or a technical profile, you cannot survive, because the company is always looking for the new technologies, new artificial intelligence related technologies. Okay, that is where, like, everything, like, after that meeting, what we have internal call also, everyone is caring about the position. Everyone is asking me to teach about this functional course. Lot of people have taken our course. Okay, they have started already learning the course. So this is what happening in real time. So something, if you are not working on real time, you might have not having any idea about what is happening in real time. But this is the real time case. You should so since you are starting your careers, since you are taking some, you're searching for the good path. Okay, so better to not only Oracle Fusion application. I'm not telling that you have to take this one only. You can take any kind of functional related role, functional related profile. Okay, so product oriented, but that should be a functional. It should not technical oriented. Something .NET, Java, Python. This kind of technologies may not be work out in future. Okay, there are a lot of institutes, they are going to be stopped. So in the current market, there are a lot of institute, they are going to be stopped because of there is no is something. If you give the query, automatically answer is coming in chat GPT. Why we need again, we have to learn and everything. So it's not required, right? Why we are learning the technical things that we have to execute in a requirement level, companies level, like where we are providing services. But there also you can use the chat GPT or something, AI, artificial intelligence, then you can fill up that. Then what is the point that we are learning? Okay, yeah, let's start our agendas, and we'll discuss one by one. So I will explain about Oracle Fusion application, how that Oracle Fusion application launch, and what is the importance of Oracle Fusion application. If you compare with other applications, we have similar ERP application. What is the best features we have in Oracle Fusion? How I mean, what is the factors that you have to consider only Oracle Fusion application out of all other ERP applications? Okay, so Oracle Fusion application was established it was launched in 2010, and it is comes to market in 2011. Okay, so in the Oracle Fusion application, we have multiple modules, multiple modules that is ERP, HCM, SCM, CX, and EPM. So there are multiple applications. We have HCM is nothing but employee related, employee process, and payroll activities and everything. Coming to the SCM, SCM is kind of inventory management and supply chain management activities. And customer experience is kind of service request oriented application. And EPM is related to reporting tool, is kind of reporting activities. So coming to the ERP application, this is kind of main pillar of the application, Oracle Fusion application level. It is the main pillar that is called ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. So in this level, we have GL, AP, AR, FA, CM expenses. Like there are multiple modules we have. So we are going to learn this highlighted ERP application, nothing but Oracle Fusion Financials. The ERP included Oracle Fusion Financials. So this is the main pillar of the application. Without this ERP, you cannot work on this SCM. You cannot execute that SCM, CX or EPM, anything. These are the branches. They are the branches. ERP is a main tree. Okay. So what is ERP? What is exactly happening in ERP? Let's say before ERP, so before ERP existing into the world, like there are business activity. We have let's say we can take one example. It kind of manufacturing kind of company or a service oriented company. So you may think, sir, we are learning about some technical technologies or something. There are different applications. We have different technologies. We are now we are discussing about one manufacturing company, one servicing company. So here the one point you have to understand. So whatever you are implementing, whatever the technologies we have, whatever the studies you are studying, okay, everything should be useful, should be utilized at a one manufacturing company or one service related company. If they don't use, if they are not using, then your educations or your skill set, your technologies, your application, all are waste. Nothing will be useful. So if something without any organization, something they are producing any product, producing any services, then okay, uh, if you are not applying your skill set, if you are not applying your technology into that company level, then there is no use of this application, there is no use of these technologies. Okay, that is where I am just taking the example of a manufacturing company or a servicing company. In previous, before ERP existing, so kind of activities like each department level, sales activities, purchase activities, inventory management or accounting activities, like marketing activities, all kind of activities, they have a different systems, there are different departments. They used to sit somewhere and they are you know the activities are very clumsy, like making report is a big task. To make a report for the organization level, to accumulated all the kind of informations, to gather all the information into one place, to generate one report means that is a big challenge for uh, you know company, and there is a huge cost. And there is a huge time taken process. After ERP application, what will happen, like everything is centralized. In ERP system, everything is centralized. Whatever the activity we are doing before ERP, so we are using multiple systems, multiple applications, multiple locations, multiple people they are working. So all together, like all are working, all are executing in a different applications level, different systems level. But in ERP application, the whole transactions, the whole activities can be done in one system, one application. System means then one application. That is a ERP application. So ERP application level, the sales activities, purchase activities, and what income we got for this month, what are the expenses you have got in for this month. So automatically reports will be generated. So based on the data you created in on daily basis, system automatically generates the reports. Whatever the reports you are looking for, reports will be generated automatically. Okay, so after this ERP application, entered into the market, so everything is changed. all the companies, they move to globalizations. Okay, before that application, before this ERP application, the brand we can see in a particular country level. We never, the brand, the whatever the international brand we are seeing in India now. Previously, it is you know limited to the country level. Once the ERP application comes into the picture, now all international branded companies, they have started their business into another countries as well. You can see there is a lot of international brands you can see in our India. How they are managing the headquarter, then the main business they are operating from US, but their branches are running in India. How they can run, how they can process, that is ERP application. So in worldwide, wherever you can see it, you can use the application. In US, they can use the same application. In India, you can use the same application. If you enter something in India, in US level, they can see the data. So that is called a ERP application. That is how ERP application changes the world, like the business activities. And now we are, no, we are just feeling that international brands and everything that we can see in so the international brands, other countries level brands also we are getting here means that is power of ERP application. Okay, this is the process. Then how it will be simplified in a Oracle Fusion application level. Okay, so here the process, whatever you can take one example, car manufacturing. So how the car manufacturing activities will done, from the fitting level, like a molding level to final product. So there are many activities included in this process. So if you want to, you know, develop the car, so let's say one branded company, Tata company, they announced one brand new car. Okay, so they got orders. Now we are in the March month. Since it is a 31st March, year end, they are announcing something discount on the previous version. Okay, the load, world version, whatever we have, the company has announced some discount on that. So in that level, we got thousands of orders from the customers. How we can, something, the new product or old product, whatever, we have a limitation of goods, but we got a huge order. Then we have to produce them. How we can produce? Then we have to go for the procurement. Suppliers level, we have to procure all the raw materials. We have to start the development, producing the product, and we have to deliver them. So the entire process, the P2P process, and expenses process, employee management process, and asset management process, plant and machinery process, and also delivering to the customer, O2C process. All this business process will be included in one application, that is ERP application. Okay. So in what kind of industries that we can expect these ERP applications will be used? All kind of business activities, like nothing. Simply, I'm telling, if the company is doing some manufacturing activities, the company is doing some manufacturing activities, and they are selling one product and they are gaining some profitability. Or another example, if you are providing services, if you are providing some services and we are selling to the customers, you are gaining something, you are gaining some profitability, then that is called an organization. So bank can be organization, networking, Airtel or Jio, this is organization. Tata Motors, Kia Motor, whatever, they are producing the product. They are organizations. So any kind of, you are making some purchases, you are making some sales, you are making some profitability, then you will consider as a organization. In kind of any kind of organization, then ERP application can be used. I have listed, few of important, business processes or something, sectors, industries that we have listed. In every kind of industries level, we are using the ERP applications. They are the highlighted, like important, like topmost ERP applications in current world, like Oracle, NetSuite, Sibyl, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, Infor, SAP, Dynamic, IBM mainframes we have, Microsoft Dynamics we have. So there are a lot of ERP applications are available in the current world. So these are the best ERP applications in 2025 to 2026. Okay, they are the best ERP applications currently available. So in the top we have Oracle Fusion application, and these are the other ERP applications. So as you mentioned, there are a lot of ERP applications. There are a lot of ERP applications are available. Then why we should choose Oracle Fusion Cloud? Okay, what is the best features? Why we need to choose this only Oracle Fusion instead of all other ERP applications? Okay, so here I can see the first thing is Oracle Fusion application is having a high demand in current market. Why? Because Oracle Fusion application, they have done one good thing, that is the integrations with other applications. They are giving quarterly patches, they are giving more advanced features. They are finding something, latest functionalities, latest features, and they are applying to the Oracle Fusion application. And nowadays, all kind of industries, all kind of business operators, they want to see this simplified and less cost or something, you know efficient reports they are looking for. So that is where we are getting like a Oracle Fusion application, you know yearly 100 to 150 customers are there taking a license of the Oracle Fusion application. That is where Oracle Fusion application coming to top position in worldwide. Currently, top position, the Oracle Fusion application, we are customers are using the in the worldwide. So obviously, when you have this application using a high level, all the customers are using the same application, means obviously you will get a projects and you will get a opportunity. So that is where we have high demand. Yesterday also I got you know I have attended 5 interviews. Yesterday is the weekend, and even December month also we have huge calls. January also we have huge calls. If we compare with other technologies, if we compare with other applications, so we are getting a lot of calls. We have a lot of opportunities. Okay, so there are multiple activities that you have considered, like career versatility. Like in versatility means the growth. Let's say this word, like this scenario may be applied lot of you people. Okay, let's say you are working in a company. You are working from since 5 years or 10 years, or 10 years you are working on the same company. Now you are realizing something, there is no future. Something after 2 years, after 3 years, there is no change. There is no change in the work area, or there is no change in my position. There is no huge changes in my packages also. So yeah, this is the right time I have to move. I have to change my domain. I have to change my career. So I currently I'm in working IT, non-IT. Something I'm working non-IT. I want to move to IT. So a lot of my friends are, joined in IT jobs. They are, earning lakhs of packages. Why can't why can't I try? It's the that switching from non-IT to IT, or IT. If you are working in a technical, uh, technologies, like a technical level, why can't you change something technical to functional? There are many kind of students. You are, this. I have, based on that inquiries I got. So yeah, there are many students like this. So why, like in the Oracle Fusion application, we have that kind of visibility. Let's say you are joining in a associate consultant, we have a functional consultant position, we have other uh, project lead, project manager, analyst, business analyst. There are an architecture level, solution architecture position. There are positions until like after 10 to 15 years also you can see the next position. After 15 to 20 years also you can see our next position. So that is the good advantages in this particular functional consult area. Like I will show you that there is an image like the career, how we can growth your designations. Okay, this is a future proof skills. Yes. So coming days we can expected a lot of projects, lot of opportunity in Oracle Fusion application. Definitely the whatever the skills that you are learning, so that will be very very useful for your career. So if you settled with this Oracle Fusion functional consultant, then there is nothing to come back or something. You cannot see like you don't need to rethink about your career again. I started my career like initial, the truth I am telling. Like I started my career with, as you started with your educational qualifications. So I started my career with accountant. Okay. So after 3 4 years, I realized. So something I have seen in front of me. There is a manager. There is a another manager. CA is there. So there is a director is there. So in 4 3 years of my span, like as a accountant, I understand something, this is not the correct way. So there is nothing, there is no growth in that. We are doing the daily activities, same activities we are keep on continuing, keep on doing that same. Then I change the path into Oracle Fusion application. After that, now it is 14 to 15 years I'm working on the same. I never think about should I change my path, should I change my technologies, should I change my company. Company also. No, you don't need to think about ever changes in your company or your technologies. So your project will keep on going. Okay, your position also will be safe. So yeah. So here we have a specialized knowledge, like in Oracle Fusion application level, in module, each module level, we have a skill set. We will learn this skill set. Based on that, business functionalities will be run like all different modules. We have AP, AR, FACM, expenses, all modules level functionalities we have. So you will be a expert. You will be an expert in all this kind of functionalities. All this functionality will be executed in real time. So yeah, you will be provided the supporting in multiple functionality level, multiple modules level. So salaries means, so yeah, you can expect like recent offers we got like 5 years of experience, 4 years of experience guy got 18 lakhs package, 5 years guy got 22 plus package. If you have 5 years experience, let's say total experience whatever you got, like you can reduce to 5 years or 4 plus 5 years of experience into Oracle Fusion. Definitely you can expect a 20 plus package, 20 lakhs package, not 20,000. Okay, so that is the minimum packages. There is a huge packages we have. If you compare with any kind of technologies, if you compare with any technologies, so this is the best packages. Here you will get the best practice, best packages. But you don't think that if you are getting 20 lakhs packages means that same work pressure, something the same, we have to fulfill everything, right? No, nothing. So as per your experience, whatever you can do, that you will be allowed. That's it. Based on the salary, based on the salary, there is no work. So in an example, I will tell you, we have a team. In our team, senior consultant are there, or leads level are there, managers level are there, or associate level are there. So as a senior consultant, they are getting you know normal. 15 to 18 lakhs package. Nowadays, recently they got appointed as a associate consultant. They are getting 20 lakhs package. Work wise, as a senior consultant, we are doing more work, but latest who are joined it with the 20 plus packages, they are doing less work. Okay, this is not kind of based on the position that you will get project packages, but yeah. So in that project level, the work will be same. The work will be same. Everyone should do the same work based on the experience, based on the seniority you have. That your expectation, like your salary, will be there. So if you compare with future, till 2030 we can compare from 20 to 20 to 30. So now we have seen there is a lot of growth in application level. So there is a lot of growth in ERP applications. Now if you compare with the 5 years, there it will be double. The growth will be double. That is where we are saying this is a future proof skill. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of how the Oracle application reaches the number one position in you know from 1994 to 2024. Like 2023 onwards, he started at top position in worldwide. Okay, so they are the applications you can see top ERP applications in 2025 and 26 level. The first application you can see Oracle Fusion application, Oracle ERP application, and the next SAP, okay, Dynamics, Workday, Infor application. They are the best ERP application, 5 top ERP applications in a current world. So why we need choose only ERP application? We have a top 5, right? We can choose anyone. But what I can say here, so in ERP application, this Oracle Fusion application, you can learn within 2 months. There is no technical skill set required. You don't need any kind of prerequisites. Don't need it. So just you are eligible. You are a degree qualified student, then you can easily learn. Whereas comparing with SAP, so SAP itself, if you want to learn SAP, then you have to spend 6 months, more than 6 months time to understand the course. And one more year you have to spend to get a practice and good to get the good hands on the application. Then after 1 year, you can start your trails. So within 1 year, your mind can be changed. Lot of things can be happened in your personal life. So you cannot wait for 1 year to get a job. And coming to the dynamics, so this is bit these two applications, SAP and this level, we have some codes, and there is some form based navigations. It is a bit difficult to understand and a bit difficult to go through as a stranger, as a new user for the application. Okay, if you compare with Workday, this is a pure technical. There is something code and SQL queries. There are a lot of coding needs to be learned before Workday learning. So and we have NetSuite and other applications also. We have there are a lot of applications we have. Everywhere something a technical skill set would be needed, except this Oracle Fusion application. That is why we need to choose the Oracle Fusion application for our career path. Okay, so here they are the multiple ERP applications. See how this Oracle Fusion application coming, go for the number one position in worldwide. So worldwide, how it become as a number one. So what is the approaches they have followed? So actually, Oracle acquired lot of applications. JD Edwards, Sibyl, PeopleSoft, Hyperion, Micros, so NetSuite, all these ERP. They are the individual famous ERP applications. All these applications have been acquired by Oracle now. Everything is working under Oracle only. Okay, now the huge percentage of ERP application that is working under Oracle only. And coming to most important thing is e-business suite and Oracle Fusion application. So the own products of ERP, the own products of Oracle is e-business suite and a Fusion application. These are the two applications owned by Oracle. Okay, the first one is e-business suite. This is on-prem application. Okay, after that they introduced the Fusion application. This is a cloud-based application. The difference between these two application is this is on-prem application. This is a cloud-based application. Rest of everything, rest of the functionalities, everything is same. Okay, this is form based. This is a normal, query based, like a backend query search based navigations we have. Okay, so here, uh, so you can say the next version of e-business suite, that is Oracle Fusion application. Now we are concentration of our concentration about Oracle Fusion application. We are learning Oracle Fusion application. Let's see that more details about Oracle Fusion application. So in point of client, let's say client, who is client? Client, the person, the company who are using Oracle Fusion application, we can call them as a client. The client company can have multiple subscriptions. That is IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. They are the multiple subscription that the client companies can get for the subscription level. So this kind of IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, we will discuss more details in our training from tomorrow. Okay. So here we have a example, SaaS, IaaS, PaaS. Let's say SaaS means it is a standard application, standard functionality will get access. That means you don't need to put much of efforts. Okay, so the subscription charges very less. So if the example, if you want to travel somewhere, okay, so you can travel, you can pay some amount to the taxi like a cab, then you can reach our destination. That just you can leave the car. So that like this is comparison bit comparing to the application level. That means in application level you don't need to maintain everything. Okay, just a subscription charges you can pay, and you can use the application for the data creations and the reporting purpose. So there is nothing will be allowed to change anything in the back end, or change at the screen level. So there is no other features will be enabled. Coming to the pass level, here you can see, so it's kind of more about a taxi taking. Like you can take the car lease, you are traveling a long tour, then you can take lease of the car. Then you can you are the driver, and you can fill the fuel. And so here are few responsibilities you can take, but ownership of a vehicle will be the owner. The same way, pass you can expected something, you can have the chances to make some changes from the back end, but the ownership something, the maintenance, everything will maintain by the Oracle product owner. So here you will get some feasibility to update some backend setups that you can connect with other applications level. Coming to the IaaS subscription level, this is ultimate. It's simple, like you are buying a product, buying a car, new car. There is no dependencies. So same if you take IaaS subscription, Oracle will provide a cloud maintenance, subscription, and also it will allow you to make any kind of changes up 30 to 40% changes you can make in application level based on your requirement. You can use the application. You can convert everything into your own path. That level feasibility you will get in a IaaS level. Okay, so each subscription level, PaaS, IaaS, SaaS, each subscription level, different consultants will work. PaaS level, technical consultant will work. They will have a hardware and software access. And IaaS level, database management level, infrastructure level, DBA consultants will work. And SaaS level, okay, SaaS front-end application level functional consultant will work. We are discussing on the functional consultant profile. Okay, we are working as a functional consultant in a company. Okay, let's discuss about the functional consultant. What functional consultant exactly do in a real time? So we are a functional consultant. If you joined in a company, okay, there is a software company, there is a business organization. Let's say Tata Motors company, there is a business organization. Accenture company, there is a software company. So in software company, we have a Oracle Fusion practice. Okay, I have joined as a functional consultant. I have joined in a Accenture company. Accenture company will provide functional services or application maintenance services to the Tata Motors company. Okay, there is agreement between business organization and software company. We are working in a software company, and our client is Tata Motors. Okay, we are providing a consulting services. We are working on behalf of software company. We are getting a salary on from the software company only. So it's kind of a not one software company. The software companies, what thousands of software companies we have in Hyderabad and Bangalore, and multiple locations, Pune, Noida, any location. We have each location thousands of software companies. If you take any software company, all software companies having this technology. That is where we are getting huge opportunities. Okay, since we have this technology in any, all the software companies. Okay, this is high level. You can understand. We have two kind of users. So being if you take this course, you can understand. You can eligible for two kind of profiles. That is end user profile. That one other is a functional consultant profile. So one course will be utilized, will be fulfilled with the two profiles. That is end users and a functional consultant. Now we'll understand what is end users, what is functional consultant. Let's say client, as we discussed, ABC Limited is a client company. They are a manufacturing company. So we have a lot of ERP applications. Out of multiple ERP application, let's say ABC Limited company using Oracle Fusion application. Okay, so ABC Limited company using a Oracle Fusion application. Now we have a software company. We have a software company that is kind of Wipro, LTI. There are multiple software companies. So we are working in a Accenture company. Okay, we are using a Oracle technology. We are working under a Oracle technology. Okay, we are a functional consultant. The service, the person who are working in a software company, he will call as a functional consultant, and he will provide the services to the end users. If the end users got issues, any issues in Oracle Fusion application, then they will approach to functional consultant who are agreed. There is a agreement between ABC Limited and an Accenture company. Okay, from ABC Limited company, end users will reach out to the Accenture company functional team to fix the issues. So we are working in a software company, Accenture company, as a functional consultant to providing functional support to the ABC Limited end users. So we will connect with them and we can fix the issues on the application level. Now the difference you can see end users and a functional consultant. The person who are working in a any organization, who are using the application and who are entering the data based on their limitations. So we have a different positions, right? Manager position, lead position or something, one associate position. Based on the position, they have some limitations of works. Okay, so they will do the on day-to-day activities in the application level. They are doing their daily day-to-day activities and application. So the domain, they have a business process or accounting domain skill set, the end users. Coming to the functional consultant, we are working about the application, something the end users, if they got any issues, we will provide the solutions for them. So this is kind of application level issues. Why we need consultants? Even can that end users can fix that issues, right? So here, why this software company is needed to connect with the client company. See, always remember ABC Limited company is a continuous business process. There is no ending for that. Let's say CEO can be there, for a few years. After he can leave the company, he can resign the company. Okay, so employees can be joined, employees can leave any. You take a example of Ratan Tata. So Tata, the brand is started, but he is not there. Okay, so still the company is continuing. That is the motto of companies. Like people can join to the company, can people can leave the company, but the process should be run. So to continue the business process, so here the company will not give you full access to make any changes, to make any deletions, to make any kind of impact on business daily business activities. That is where company will appoint any software company for consulting services. If the end users they needed any kind of helps or something support or any bug fixes, then they will connect with the software company provide functional services to end users to fix their issues. Okay, that is our functional consultant role. So you have to work for the organization. You are not for one particular person or particular end users. You are there for the entire organization, entire business level. You have to understand the business well. You have to provide the best solutions. You have to provide the best suggestions to the organizations. The comparison, the difference between functional consultant and you know end users, you can see they are simply end users. They are limited to their daily task. Okay, their particular module, they will limited for a particular action. But Oracle, functional consultants, they are unlimited. They are working at enterprise organization level. Okay, so end users they have domain accounting and finance oriented knowledge, but functional consultant will have some high level application level knowledge. Application level end to end knowledge will have that is sufficient for the functional consultant. So how we can get what is the expectations from the you know functional consultant in real time. So always organizations expected good suggestions or something, whatever know uh, solutions or something advisories what we are providing. Okay, so whatever offerings that we are giving to the organization, that should be helpful to them to improve their business process, reduce the cost, and uh, always productivity increasing and profitability maintenance. So those things should be improved by the consulting services by from the functional consultants. So this is a career track you can see, as I told you previous. So if you started with the functional consultant or end users, your journey will go at a functional consultant, solution architect, project manager, and a strategy consultant. So the career growth, it will take each position level. You can stay for 3 to 4 years. So like your career will be there for 15 to 20 years. Okay. So coming to the job designation and scope. Here, our job role is this is kind of a job role of functional consultant, Oracle Fusion functional consultant. Functional consultant is a common designation. Functional consultant is a common designation. Your own company, in your company, current company, that designation can be changed. So it can be software engineer or senior software engineer, senior analyst, or something in implementation package, you know, specialist, or kind of a different P1, P3, P4 kind of positions. You can expect a lot of naming conventions, different naming conventions in each organization level, each company's level. Ultimately, the common role, common position, our position is functional consultant. So we have three levels of projects: implementation, support, rollouts, and other different projects. We have majorly we can discuss two, that is implementation and support. I hope I think you guys may not be attended last week. Last week we have completed the real-time sessions regarding that implementation and supporting how it will be done in real time, how the new project will be implemented, how the data migration process will be done. So what is the important role of the functional consultant? So yeah, supporting level, what kind of functional queries we will get in real time, how we can participate in real time issues, how we can do the period closure issues. Okay, what is the technical support, or how the issues the clients will be raised, like end users, the end users or clients, how they will raise their issues, what is the ticketing tools we have. So yeah, everything has been discussed in the real time session. So yeah, your batch also will be there in the next month, end of the session, end of the course. You will definitely will have a real time session. That time level, I will explain everything. So we have in a course level, the course structure level, we have this is Oracle finance functional modules. We have GL, AP, AR, FACM. They are the modules that we are going to be cover in our training process. So AP, AR, FACM, and another module is the expenses. These all are subledger modules, and GL is a main ledger. GL is a main ledger. We can call it a primary ledger as well. So we will discuss everything, every model detailed. Okay, theoretical setups and functionalities. Everything will be discussed. So total Oracle Fusion level, we have a business process. Okay, three business process, entire business activities, entire one company level, one a big organization level activities has been divided into three business process. One is P2P, another is O2C, and another is a asset acquisition to asset retirement process. Okay, so invoice to cash, nothing but a O2C, AR module. Okay, account receivable module. Nothing P2P process, nothing but a procure to payment, AP module. Asset acquisition to asset retirement, fixed asset, FA module. So all these three models, see here you can see all these AP, AR, FA, all these three models will be involved in the three business processes. Okay, we will discuss everything module wide, like a business process, how the data transforming using a subledger accounting process, how the data will be created into GL. This is budget and reporting business process flow means general ledger. Okay, so the data how it will be created in the general ledger. This is the end-to-end business process. Okay, here you can see the each business process level, how the models will be included. So O2C level, AR model, cash accounting, cash management, CM model will be involved. P2P level, AP and cash management, assets level, asset module, subledger accounting, GL. They are the models. Above one is a business process, what we have discussed in previous screen. So coming to we are going to discuss three main activities, three business processes, that is invoice to cash, uh, asset to retirement, and P2P. Okay, procure to payment process, like that. There are three business activities, three business important business process that we will cover in our training. So I will give high level information. What is P2P? What is O2C? And what is FA? Let's say we have so these three models, all these three business processes, in connected each other, interconnected. Let's say how that this asset acquisition to retirement and invoice to receipt, nothing but O2C and P2P will connect each other. Here you can see, let's say we can take example of Tata Motors. Tata Motors announced a new brand, that is a new car from 2026 April 1st. They are going to release a new brand into market. Let's say, so in this level, they got huge orders from the customers. In this level, they got huge orders from the customers. Then what they will do? We have a 10,000 cars requirement. Okay, so In order management level, they will verify whether we have 10,000 cars available or not. Obviously, there is no products or stock will be available. Then what they will do in look, they will accept the all orders from the customers. They will accept the all orders from the customers. They will give some waiting period. They will give some waiting period. So by next month, next 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, you will get your order. Okay, so based on the confirmation of purchase orders, like something orders from the customer, they will start the production activities. Something they will you know get the raw material from the suppliers, and they will start the production. So P2P process will included in this process. So how we are getting the raw materials from the suppliers, how we are doing the payment to the suppliers, this entire process will be included into P2P process. So once we got the raw materials delivered to the organization, now we have started the development, like what you say, production. How we can produce a car, how we can produce a product, we have to use the plant and machineries. Plant and machineries are building or go down, all these are called as a assets. So we will maintain them in a fixed asset model. How the asset will be created, how the depreciation will be calculated, how we asset we can manage. Okay, how we can retire the asset, how we can resell the asset, everything will be maintained in a fixed asset model, which is the assets which are helping for our productivity or manufacturing activities, that we can say fixed assets, and we can maintain in this fixed asset model. Okay, so once the production is completed, once we paid amounts to the suppliers from where we got the raw material, now here we are about to deliver the products. So the whatever orders we are receiving from the customers, so we can deliver the products, and also we can release the sales invoice to the customer, and we can expect the payment from the customers. Okay, invoice creation to the customer and payment received from the customer. That is a O2C process. So if you want to earn something, the revenue, if you want to earn some revenue, that means there is a dependency on procurement, P2P process. So if you want to complete production manufacturing, there is a asset management. You need to prepare, there is a asset management linking. So that is where all these three business activities are interlinked each other. Okay. So yeah, coming to the training process, like all these three business process will be explained detailed, end-to-end process, uh, business process, and also journal entries are, functionalities, different functionalities we will have, each module level, everything will be covered. Coming to training process and methodology, how we can do the training, what is the methodology that we are following. So we have a sessions from Monday to Friday. So first, everything, like from tomorrow we are going to start theory. So first 3 days means regarding the enterprise structure, I will give the introduction of theory, application level. The theory will be discussed initially. Then we will start the setup and configuration. Then we can start the functionalities. They are the 3 layers you can see. First, PPT theory presentation. Next, setup and configuration activities. Next, functionality testing. Functionality testing will be done on whatever setups we have done. This is the process we will follow for every module. For every module, we will explain the same PPT presentation. So you will make you understand what is the current exactly business process, what is the setup and configuration we are going to do, what is the different functionalities that we are going to execute in the particular business model. Then you will get an idea, the terminology, new terminologies and everything you have heard here. Then it will be easy to recognize, it will be easy to understand the business process. And we have a Saturday weekend assignments. Every Saturday we will give the assignment. So whatever we completed so far, okay, whatever the modules, whatever the let's say first week you will not be assigned. Like next week, whatever the module we are discussing, and Saturday you will get assignment. You have to complete the task and you have to share the screenshot of result in your WhatsApp group. We have a group, WhatsApp group, right? In that group, you have to post it your result that you have completed. Make sure that you have completed the task. Okay, this is working very, very good. Something all students, let's say we completed January batch. We completed January batch. January, it is there 2 months, for 2 months, January 15th to uh, March 15th. So this batch students, they used to follow very good. Like they have completed each task, each whatever weekend I am giving the task. So they used to complete the task within 1 or 2, 1 or 2 days. Okay, all of the students are working very actively. So if the one person has completed the task, another is getting motivated. Why cannot I do that? Okay, so they are taking, they are spending a lot of good time and they are completing the task. They are learning the things. First thing, the task is not important. That is the learning. Even if you try to complete, if sometime you may fail, but thing is you are getting knowledge. You can reach out to me. What is the issue you are facing? Then you can sort it out and you can continue your testing. Okay, coming to the mock interviews. So every Sunday, 7:30 to 9:30. So whenever you have a demo, then the mock interview session will be closed at 9 o'clock. Otherwise, that demo, that mock interview will be continued for 7:30 to 9:30. So module wide, every module wide, and questions, interview questions, we will provide 150 to 200 question for each module. If you go through that interview question and answers, that is sufficient. That is more sufficient to crack interview on your own. Okay, so yeah, we will provide interview question and answers, and we will conduct the mock interview sessions. So where you can get a very good knowledge to crack interview. Okay, the course duration is 2 months. Always remember, we are going to give a real-time project. So we will take one real-time project, and the real-time project we will do the all entire implementation process. Okay, and we will do the supporting level like all module level testings. Okay, everything will take in one project level. We will take one project and we will do all the activities. So functionality, as I told you, functional theory and setup and configuration and testing of transactions and whatever the data we implemented, everything will be done. And coming to course offers, here we have regular sessions with the latest curriculum. Okay, so the application, the Vision instance will be latest application we are using. So the latest curriculum means based on the latest functionalities, latest features. If you got a new functionality, that will be added into your training. So in real time, whatever we are getting a new requirements or new functionality adding to the project level, so that will be discussed with you. That functionality will be added into your course. Okay, so if you compare with the previous batches, okay, if you will get more details, you will get more uh, data or more content. Uh, yeah, and yeah, we have a lifetime access for the recorded videos. Like whatever the records, like sessions we are conducting, everything will be uh, recorded. Okay, once it is recorded, it will be posted to G Drive. So you will get the G Drive access. Let me showcase you the G Drive, how it will be there. So in G Drive level, every day sessions will be recorded and posted into G Drive. So in G Drive, we are currently we are running February batch, let's say. So this is the batch we can see. Okay, everything now so far we are in expenses. We are about to start a FA model. Okay, we started FA model actually. So I will show you the completed batch, one batch. Okay, December batch I will show you. what are the things we have in the folder. You can see here. So each module will take one folder. Okay, resume preparation process, mock interviews, interview question and answers, real-time sessions, set up screenshot documents, and yeah, they are the different modules. Let me show you that latest. So in recent AP model, we have added additional functionalities. Now it is coming to 40. If you compare with the old batch, let's say December batch, how many videos we have in 2025 December AP, you can check AP. You can see 36 topics. Now it is a 40. It reaches to 40. Like that, you can expect new functionalities, new things in your upcoming batches. Okay, so yeah, resume preparation process, interview question and answers, everything. Document. You see, even every module level, you will see the PDF documents. You can see the PDF documents, all functionality level, latest functionalities, everything will be making in PDF documents. This will be very useful for your practical. Okay, so this is the drive access. So everything will be shared in a drive so that you will get lifetime access. Coming to the application access, application level, the instance you will get for 1 year access. 1 year you will get the access. You can you can practice yourself. And yeah, remember that is 1 year access. So don't get confused. It is not lifetime access. Then you can have multiple batches access. Let's say you are joining in a March month. So in some personal issues or some other conditions, you may drop in the middle. Maybe you may not listen all the classes. Then you can choose one of the future batch that you can join freely. There is no additional cost for that. So you will have a multiple batches access. That is maximum 2 batches you can attend. That is sufficient. So we will provide the resume. So I will prepare one resume and I will share with you. Then you can upload into Oracle, portal, job portal. Then you can get the schedules like interview schedules. So module wide interview question and answers. I will provide all the things in a drive level. You can go through. Okay, so real-time sessions, every batch ending level, we will have a, real-time sessions. So in a real-time session, we have 2 projects, as I told you, implementation project and supporting project. Last week, we completed the real-time sessions. In this level, we have how that implementation will be done, what are the methodologies, what are the documents we are doing, what are the customizations and reporting, everything. Everything will explain. And also the supporting project level. So what is SOW? What is the conditions, terms and conditions we have? What are the ticketing tools we are operating? How we will deal with the real-time issues and the real-time tickets? Everything will be covered in a supporting project, your real-time sessions. Because job assistance program means, yeah, everything will be handed over to you. That is course contents, application access, module-wide interview question and module-wide mock interviews conduct and interview question and answer.
Mahesh, I have one
Please,
question.
please, please. After completion, well, I will ask you, so then you can start your questions. Okay, so yeah, you will have your resume in your hands, and you can call me one to one. You can get clarify your queries, and even you have your WhatsApp group. You can keep posted on our queries on group. You can get clarified. Okay, so we have interview support and job support also. So for the interview support and job support, I will not discuss anything on this you know uh, session. So if you needed any clarification on this interview and the job support, you can call me personally. So I will discuss one to one. So because we are going to share this video in the public domain, I don't want to discuss about interview support and the job support. Yeah, so these are the question and answers we are getting, like there are frequent questions we are getting, like who can learn this course. So let's say if you are, any degree, in BTech or any degree, you are eligible. Okay. So the minimum qualification for the software companies, what are the IT companies? So minimum qualification is any degree. Okay. So like where we are. Yeah, if you are coming from non-finance, like Mahesh, you have mentioned this Oracle Fusion financials. So how can like since I am not related to financials, can I learn this? Yes, yes. See here, the financial knowledge or accounting knowledge would be related to the end users. End users may needed that knowledge, but as a functional consultant, we are not into that accounting activities. But yeah, as a functional consultant, you must have knowledge on the application level functionality, setup and configuration. Those things you have to learn more. So even that accounting and finance, I will teach in a training process. In the initial, I will explain everything. Okay, what is the basics of accounting? What is the importance of accounting? How it will be lead? How it will work in application level? So in whenever you are seeing journal entry, how it is created, you must know. So that is where this basic accounting sessions will be helpful. And coming to why it is moving. Okay, and coming to, let's say you have a 10 years of experience or something. If you have more experience, okay, are you eligible? Yes. So even if you have 10 years experience, like something, you are working somewhere. That's it. You are working. You should work somewhere. If you are trying to switch the company, job from whatever domain or IT domain or non-IT domain to Oracle Fusion, make sure if you have 10 plus experience, so you should work somewhere, something on you should work. But if you are not working anywhere, if you are something you have deal with or any family businesses or anything, after 10 to 15 years, if you want to learn this course, maybe this is not suggestible for you. It is not suggestible for you. You cannot manage this. But if you have any working activity, working experience, any kind of working experience, you are generated some salaries, you are getting some salaries, you are working in a software, any kind of company, then that experience, the documents can be utilized for the experience. Even that your real-time work experience will be helpful, help out you to survive in a real-time software company. So currently you have 8 lakh packages. How you can expect? How much you can expect? So 8 lakh package here, very beginners, freshers, we can expect 8 lakh packages here. If you have a 5 years, if you have more than 5 years experience, still you are struggle with 8 lakh package, 7 lakh package. But if you come to the Oracle Fusion, so 5 years experience guy is learning 20 plus package. Okay, that is the difference, major difference. Okay, let's say you have a 5 years gap in your career. You have a 5 years gap in your career. Something you started in one company, or you have work experience, you have work, documents, everything. But the last 5 years, I did not work due to some reason. Then that's fine. You can maintain third-party payroll company, documents, and then you can maintain. Then you can go ahead. So you can easily survive in the market, like in the company. So current market means, I told you now in the initial level, there are huge calls. So except Sunday, except Sunday, we have calls on every day. Even Saturday also we have calls. Okay. So I told you now that IT, something artificial intelligence, how that artificial intelligence is impacting to your jobs. So don't think that that your job will be in the risk, since you are in a functional consultant. So there is no impact on your job. Zero AI impact, zero coding, zero technical. So yeah, so happily you can learn the course, you can get the job. So up to 10 to 15 years or 15 to 20 years, you can stay on the same technology, same Oracle Fusion level profile. Okay, yeah, yeah, communication skills, basic communication skills is fine. Since you have done your degree and PG, that the communication skills are fine. The only thing is you must able to understand what other guy is saying. You must able to speak something whatever you are feeling inside, something you can expose yourself, like whatever would like to explain something, the topic or something, the content you should able to explain, that's it. Okay, so content of the document, course that I will share in in a group or something you have already. If you ping me on personal, like personally, if you ping me on, then you might have already received that PDF document, so that you can go through. You will there it will be everything, what kind of functionalities, what kind of modules we are going to be cover in a training. Okay, still if you have questions, your own questions, one by one you can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions. So you can unmute yourself. Okay, one by one you can unmute yourself and you can tell your name and you can ask your question.
Yeah, hi
Hi,
Mahesh,
Mike.
this is Karan Singh.
Okay, Karan.
Yeah, actually, I am holding 11 plus years of experience in healthcare domain,
Mhm.
where I have switched three companies and my package is close to 8 lakhs. So, is it useful for me? And currently, I'm working in this domain, healthcare domain.
So healthcare domain. So definitely what you can do is you can mention that you are working as a end user in Oracle
Mhm.
Fusion application level in your company. Okay, in our company, whatever you are working, we are using Oracle Fusion application. Okay,
Okay,
so I'm working on particular these modules. So on a company level, we have multiple branches. Multiple branches level, everything is recording in our system. So that is my whatever job you are currently doing, that will be converted in this format. Okay,
okay.
so we can build the resume like this and you can go for Oracle Fusion profile. Yeah,
Yeah,
out of
Mahesh.
your
And the
total
thing is,
experience, out of total experience that we can you can 4 to 5 years experience in, it will be converted into Oracle Fusion. The documents whatever you have, that will be sufficient, that you can maintain the same. So if you have any gap in
okay.
the previous or current, then you can make it as a third party payrolls. Otherwise, if you have a documents, they can take it for resume.
Yeah, my experience is like I was worked 7 years in one organization. After
That's
that,
fine.
I
That's fine.
worked.
That's fine.
That's
Everything,
not an issue,
everything.
right?
That's not an issue. You can maintain, no problem.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it, Mahesh. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other?
Hi, hi,
Yes,
Mahesh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm Nirupam Kumar.
Mhm.
I'm total experience 10 years in banking sector. Three
Okay.
banks I'm working in since
Mhm.
2016 onwards. Hello.
Okay. Okay.
The thing is, I want to switch right now. So, how much experience can I put it maximum? Because 5 years is only the market is running 5 years calls only. Less than 4 years, it's somewhat
See,
difficult
here,
to.
here, main thing is you are into banking profile. Okay. So you
Yes,
cannot put up your banking experience or something. Since you are getting a salaries and everything from one of the bank. Okay.
yes.
So the domain experience you can keep as a banking profile, banking experience.
Okay.
Okay. The
Hmm.
current latest whatever you have. So
Yes, yes.
you don't showcase that experience in your resume. Then you could put up some third party payroll, third party companies experience that you can apply to the Oracle Fusion. Okay, the latest
Uh,
4 plus experience you can keep on Oracle Fusion. Remaining you can take into that domain experience, whatever you have a banking sector. So then definitely you can
uh,
survive the remaining. What the real time experience you have to ignore. That whatever
Okay,
real
okay,
experience you have, you have to ignore. If you want to migrate, if you want to switch the technology, that is the only source we have.
okay, okay.
Mahesh,
Yeah, go ahead.
One thing, Mahesh, this course duration is 2 months, na?
Yes.
This 5 years experience stuff is can be able to
Yes,
manage for
definitely,
the.
definitely. That's what I'm telling. So 2 months of course, the real-time session mainly. So 5 years real-time experience is sufficient in, 2 months of training will be sufficient for the real-time 5 years experience, because here we have
Yeah.
multiple modules. Here we have a GL,
Okay,
AP, AR, FA, expenses like that, multiple modules we have. So obviously you will work for the one project in 1 year. 1 year, one project you will work. One project level, you
okay,
will not deal with all the modules. Maximum
okay,
two
okay,
to three modules at a time you can deal with. So like that, if
okay,
you
okay.
it changes the multiple projects in 5 years, approximately you will cover all the modules.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
okay,
so the 2 months of training, you will cover all the modules and all the activities. That is fine. That 5 years will be sufficient. We are not
sufficient. Okay.
taking more than 5 years. We will consider only five
Yes.
years.
Okay, okay. Not trouble. Easily can manage
Yes,
once
yes,
I get
yes,
into this.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Anybody, any other question?
Mahesh, this side also.
Yeah.
See, as I have already earlier spoken with you
Your voice is
regarding
not clear. Your voice is not clear.
waiting.
Hi Mahesh, actually I have one question.
Yeah.
Hello.
Ashok, go ahead.
Now it is audible.
Yes.
See, as I have earlier spoken with you, I have 12 plus of years in banking. So just before you have told to one of our friend who is in a
Yes.
meeting,
I think you
we
have shared your details also me, right? So
exactly.
yeah. Here we have this option. Like I told you, like if you want to keep your banking experience, then that will not be work out. But you can ignore your experience. Let's say if you have 12 years experience, right? Out of 12 years, 6 years, first 6 years experience you can keep as it is, and you can mention that you are working as a end user in banking level. Then latest experience you can put up some third party payroll companies, then you can make it as something you have experience in Oracle Fusion application as a functional consultant. That you can do. You can learn the course and you can get the job, simply.
I have a small doubt. See, where we go through into background verification, they will get to know the PF is
See, here
already
only
established.
thing is that's what I'm going to tell you. Here,
Mm,
if you are changing your payroll
mm,
companies, okay,
mm,
if you are not maintaining your original payroll, or if you are something you are taking a third party payroll, means you
mm,
should not go for the top MNC companies initially. First, you
mm,
have to go to the consulting contract to hire base. Okay, there the high, the background verification process very simple, because the third party payroll, like something whoever taking contract and hire, they will not verify full details for your background verification. They will send a one email to the, what are the consulting documents you have provided. They will consider the email reply, that's it. Okay, so they
okay,
will
okay.
they will send you into another client company. They will earn some money from billing. Then the same amount he will provide you as a salary. So here the third party, contract hire company will provide you salary and the experience document, everything to you. After 2 3 years, you can
Mhm.
change the job. Now you can go for the MNC company. Top MNC companies you can go. That background verification, this company, whatever consulting, like you worked for the contract hire, this company will provide background verification, it will be supported. Then you can move to the software, MNC companies. Initially you
Okay.
have to go for the small companies, then you can easily survive after a few years later.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Okay,
Anybody
okay.
any other question?
Yeah, recently have you? I mean, how many persons got
Your
placed like
name,
this? Like,
Samsung, your name.
yeah, I'm sorry. My name is Pandya.
So number of offer letters or openings means
Sorry, one moment.
See here, we are getting every weekly we are getting a lot of offers. 1 week, last week we got 2 offers. Before in January, in December level, we got five, 4+ offers, I think. January we got 3+, I think 3+ offers, 3 or 4, 2 are pending. And February also we got offers. In March month, last week also we got 2 offers. See, I cannot count everything, because we are getting, there is a continue process. That is a continue process. Here we have two type of students. The few students, they are going interviews are their own. Few are getting, we are taking support from our, from our side, interview support. Somebody will not take interview support. They will go for their own. So they just informed us, sir, we got opportunity. We got placed in the company. Just I said, okay, congratulations. If you need any help, or if you need any support from our side, just let me know. We will provide. So if you have any real-time queries, if you have doubts, if you have any doubts, then you let me know. I can support you. That's what I can say to them. Okay. So everything, maybe everything will
Are they
not.
going to MNCs or any other companies?
So that is something like it can be MNC company, it can be third party, any other. It's not, it's something. If
Okay.
you have a Infosys real-time company experience, you have a, normal original documents, you have good experience, you have good company experience, then you can go any company. You will get a
Okay.
permanent payroll. That's what.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Because I work in Amazon, right? That's why
Okay.
Amazon, it's not
Amazon.
a.
Amazon means yeah. Still again here, Amazon experience cannot be useful for this role. Again, you have to. How many years of experience in Amazon?
2.5 years.
Two.
2.5.
Yeah. See, remaining that experience you can ignore, and you can put up on resume of an Oracle Fusion. Then you can take one consulting document and you can go ahead. So that will be worked out. So after 2 years you can go for the MNC companies. First initially you can join for the consulting
And I'm
companies.
correspondent degree. That's why I'm asking.
Correspondent degree.
Distance degree.
So everything, there is a degree certificate we have, right?
Yes. Yes.
That is fine.
Okay.
Mahesh, I have
Anybody,
one
any other
doubt.
questions?
Mahesh, I have a doubt. Is there any chance to meet you in personally?
Yes. You can call me
Me-
after this session. We can meet. I will be there
Okay,
in Hyderabad.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, Mahesh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody, any other questions?
Hi Mahesh,
Yeah. Hi.
this is Harika.
Okay.
Actually, I am from completely science background.
Okay.
So, just I have passed out my degree in 2022. So, already I have a 1 year of experience in working in research institute, which is completely of from science.
Okay.
So, whether this 2 months of course will be useful and easy learning for me and the
Definitely,
people of
definitely. I got your question. See,
yeah,
I'm telling this to everyone. Okay. So from Monday, from tomorrow, we are going
okay,
to start the batch. First week, Monday to Saturday, we will have a sessions. So I will
okay,
not ask anyone why you are joining, why you are not joining. So you have to pay some fee. Nothing will be asked. From Monday to Saturday, you attend the sessions. Okay, you can understand. You can try to understand the course content and the procedure. I'm telling, this 1 week is a crucial. This 1 week is a foundation of a 2 months course.
okay,
If you understand very well for this 1 week of period, this particular content, then you can join the course.
okay,
Undoubtedly, you can join the course. You can learn this, because if you understand very well for this 1 week sessions, then there is nothing in 2 months training. There is something enablement and doing the functionality. That's it. Total entire 2 months courses depending on this first week main content only. If you understand this content, then you can easily understand the total entire course.
okay.
So first
Thank
thing, you can join all 1 week sessions. Then if you got understand, then you can decide, you can enroll the course and you can continue the course.
Okay,
And
thank you.
one more thing is a few people something they can think like 1 week section I can attend, so then I can abscond. I don't need to learn the
No,
course.
absconding is
So
not the
if
matter.
that is the thing,
Understanding.
if you, and not you, like, something
Okay,
I'm
okay,
telling to everyone.
okay.
So if you think like that, there is another important content in each module level.
Yeah,
Each
yeah,
module level we have to know like what is the exact real time process.
yeah.
So obviously it is a foundation, but there is a real time scenario, real time process, business process will be there in the entire 2 months training.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so yeah, this is a very good golden opportunity for everyone. So you can join first week. I will not ask anything.
Yeah,
So you can
one question,
you
sir.
can learn your course, and you can try to understand. Then even if you understand very well, if you understand very well, if you feel it is very good for your career path, if you feel good, then you can continue. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money.
Yeah, Mahesh, I
Okay.
have one more question related instance.
Yeah, instance will be provided for 1 year. So
Yeah,
from
so
March to next March.
okay. So we need to pay including in this fee or
Yes,
separately
yes,
we need to
included,
pay?
included.
Yeah. Okay, Mahesh. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, one question, Mahesh.
Yeah.
We are cover the SCM module also in
No,
this
no, no, no.
course.
Only financials. GL, AP, AR, FA, expenses. I have listed the modules also in the previous screen.
Yeah, we checked in Naukari yesterday. That's why I
That
asked
is
you.
other modules. There, that is not included into SCM is a separate module. PPM is a separate module. HCM is a separate module. Yeah. Anybody, any other questions?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
Yeah.
నా పేరు కళ్యాణ్ సార్, నేను ఖమ్మం నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
Yeah. Tell me, sir.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను అకౌంటెంట్ గా చేస్తున్నాను సార్. లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా నేను విన్నాను ఇది. రియల్ టైమ్ సీజన్ కూడా విన్నాను.
So if you are working as a accountant, if you are working as a end user like accountant in any kind of accounting model, like any kind of accounting application, this is the best option. This is the best source to change your life. If you learn this course, if you join as a functional consultant, you will be a ruler. Definitely, I'm telling. Okay, you will get a golden chance to get you change your life. That's it, simply. Okay, anybody, any questions? Right, thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow exactly 7 to 8:30. I will share the meeting link in our group. So people who are not in the group, just let me know. I will share that group details. I have already shared that details for the group. So if you are already in the announcement group, there is a March 2026 English. There is a batch. There is a group. I will share the details in our WhatsApp again. So you can join in that group. So I will share the meeting link in that group. You can join daily session from tomorrow morning 7 to 8:30. Right. Thank you all.